Are you think about creating a new YouTube banner and not sure where to start? So today I'm gonna help you create a new YouTube banner with Canva. And the great news, it's extremely easy to make and looks great. So first thing that we need to know is what is the best dimensions to create YouTube banners. So first of all, go to your YouTube channel, then click on YouTube Studio, then click on customization, then branding, and here we can see the banner image section. So this is where you're gonna upload your banner when you finish creating. So here we can see that for the best results on all devices, use an image that's at least 2048 by 1152 pixels and 6 megabytes or less. So when creating your YouTube banner, there are two important things to know. The first one is that we're gonna create the banner with this dimension, 2560 by 1440. And the text and logo safe area is 1546 by 423. So this is the first YouTube banner that we are gonna create. So first of all, go to your Canva subscription and click on create a design. Then type YouTube channel art. You can see that we're gonna create the banner with this dimension, 2560 by 1440 pixels, and that's what we want. So just click. Then we have this blank Canva. In the left, you can see that there are some ideas for you, like music, YouTube channel art, beauty, travel, makeup. So you can click in any of these ones and change how you like. So first of all, I'm gonna copy this text and logo safe area and paste it here. And I'm gonna place in the mirror. So here it's on the mirror. Then I'm gonna click on elements and type frame. I'm gonna choose this one because it looks like a photo frame. Make smaller, place in the mirror, copy and paste, make a little smaller, change the direction, then copy and paste. Then I'm gonna click on elements again and type women, and I'm gonna add this photo here, this one here, and this one here. Now I'm gonna change the background color. So if I click on the background, I can change the color. I can change for any of these photo colors. Or you can go to this website called colors.co and you can choose any color of this palette. I'm gonna choose this one, copped, and then I'm gonna place here and choose. I'm also gonna change the color of the outside background. And now I have this. So finally, I'm gonna add the text, add a heading, and change. So I'm gonna change the size to 50 and the font to this one. And I'm just gonna place inside here. and change a little bit the direction. Change the color. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. And here I have the first banner. It's not the same photos, but you can change the photos how would you like. You can also change this text how would you like. You can add some effects like shadow, lift, splice. I'm gonna add the lift. You can change intensity. I'm gonna leave 50. Once you're done, so everything is inside of the logo and tag safe area, so which is good. And once you're done, you can click on download. PNG is the best one, and just click download. So after you finished your banner, you come back to the YouTube studio, and under branding banner image, you can upload your banner. And here you can see that the photos and the text is inside the photo and text safe area, which is great. Then you click done, then publish, then view channel. And here's the final result. Let's create this banner now. So on Canva, create a design, then type YouTube channel art. Then I'm gonna copy this text and logo safe area and paste here. Then I'm gonna place in the middle. Then click on text, add a heading, type your name. Then I'm gonna change the size to 80 and the font for this one. Place kind in the middle. Change the color. Then I'm gonna add a subheading. Change the color. Change the font to 50. And then make it bold. Then I'm gonna add this woman. In elements, I'm gonna type fashion and then graphics. And I'm gonna add this one, make it smaller, kind of place in the side. Then I'm gonna look for this background. So in elements, gonna type fashion background, and I'm gonna choose this one. Right click and set image as background, and then I can delete this background. I can also add some effects. I'm gonna add the shadow. So I add the offset to 64, the direction to 54, and you can also change and play with and see which you like better. And I'm also gonna change this color to this one. So here you can download to PNG. If for some reason it's too big, it's like over 6 megabytes, you can download, you can choose JPEG and add quality to 100%. Otherwise, you can just choose PNG. So let's finish this last banner. So on Canva, create a design, then type YouTube channel art, then copy the text and logo safe area, paste, place in the mirror. I'm gonna add the text, add a herring, then change the size to 80, then add a sub-herring, change to 50, and make bold. I'm gonna change the color. Now let's look for this makeup background. So in elements, type makeup. Then I'm gonna add this one. Right click, set image as background. Now I'm gonna change the background color that's gonna be related to the makeup background. I'm gonna add this one. Change the effect. Gonna add a shadow. The only thing missing is the subscribe button. So in elements, type subscribe. I'm gonna add this one. Make smaller. And then place right here. So when you're done, just download and choose PNG and download. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope your banner turns out great. Please like, subscribe, and comment below how good your banner turned out.